Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Skill Forum. So this video is specially for those who want to remove the background of the picture, as well as those who want to customize their background of an picture. So I am going to show you how to make an outline for the particular image in the mobile itself. So you can do these two things in the Android mobile itself. I am going to show you how to do and how to create all those things in your Android mobile phone. So we will move on my mobile screen. Hello friends, in this session I am going to show you how to remove the background of an image, as well as how to make an outline of your picture. Okay, let's start. Still, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new videos. Let's start. So these two things I am going to do in the Android mobile itself, so that you need one Android application that you need to download it from the Google Play Store. So I will show you how you can download it from the Play Store. So here first you need to go to Google Play Store. So once you go to Google Play Store, here you need to search it as a application name as PicsArt. Okay, so here you will get the PicsArt. So you just download it and install it. So already in my mobile I have downloaded it, and so that's why it's showing open option. Okay, so I will just open it. So here you will get a home page. So in the bottom you will get a plus symbol, right? You just click that plus symbol to import an image which you want to remove the background of the particular image. Okay, so here what I will do, I will select this photo. So once you select the photo, it will open in the PicsArt application. So initially what you need to do, you need to go to tools. Here you have second option, tools. So you need to crop it. You just click on the crop button. So once you click on crop button, you need to crop it according to the size of your requirement. So once you crop it, you just give right click button here in the top right corner. You just click right click button. So after cropping an image, what you need to do is you need to go to this sixth option, that is cutout. So click this cutout option so that you can cut an image by removing the background of your particular picture. So what you need to do, so here you have two options, one is select, another one is outline, right? So I will show you how to use this. So select, it is an automatic process. You will so the software itself capture the person image. Okay, so here we have many options like person, face, hair, head, background, right? So here if you select the person, so the application will automatically detect your image, and it will select red highlighted color. Okay, here some portions of your image is not selected properly. So here what you need to do is, so it depends on your quality of an image. Here I have taken a normal quality of an image to show you both the options. So if your image is having a high quality image, definitely it will select all the images, right? It will capture all the things. So here to capture the remaining unselected part, here you have first option called restore. You just select the restore here, so that you just zoom it. So once you select the restore, here you can select the portion. Okay, so you select properly, so that so here you can change the size of that circular selection mode also. So zoom it properly, so that Okay, so after creating it, you need to save an image. So this is how you will get you can remove the background, right? So after removing a background, you can add your own background here. So how to add background here? For that you need to go to here fit option. So go to fit option. So then see, you can add any of the color as a background, right? See here, you can choose any color, so that you can easily add the background. Okay, so but if you want to if you want to add a background of your own, you just go to an image option here, click on the image. So here you have default images which has been saved in the application itself. So but if you want to add your background image, you just go to first option here, plus. So click this plus icon, so that you can browse so here go to free to edit here, then go to gallery. So here directly you can import whichever background you want. I will select this as a background. So you just select it, you can make set the background for your image. See how you can select. So this is how you can select. So once you select it, you can just give right click here. So once you give right click, you can directly save an image. Okay, so after creating it, so you just click this top right corner button, so that you can easily save. So but before saving it, I am going to show you how to create how to make an outline of your to your photo. So for that I will make undo here. So before saving it, before adding an background itself, you need to make an outline for your picture. So just I will undo it. So to add an outline for your to your photo, you just go to fit option here. So once you go to fit option, so sorry, not fit. So for that you need to go to here border option. So here you need to go to border here to add outline to an image. So go to border, see here how you will get an outline to your image. So you can give any of the color here. So I will give red here, or else if you want to give any color, you can give. So I will give red. Okay, so once you give red color to this particular image, so again then you need to go to fit here, then you need to go to background here, image here. So then you need to add an image, then select any image. So whichever you want to select, you just select it. Okay, so I will select this option. So go to recent. So here I have my own image. You just select it and you can make it. Okay, so and then give right click here. So once you give right click, you can't edit your image as well as background image. Okay, so and as well as you can't change the outline of your picture also. Okay, so this is, so if you save it, so just click top right button. So once you click it, automatically it will save. So if you have any trial version, you will get an ad to save that particular image. See here you just click the skip button here. So once you click skip button, are you sure you want to save, or else you just click on save, and you just click on save picture on your device. So once you click it, so it has to save. So it has been saved, just click on done. Okay, so here the image already it has been saved in your gallery, whatever we have created. See, so this is how you can remove the background, as well as you can make an outline to your picture. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, so that you will get updates of my new videos. Thank you.